Make sure you see it's him.
I see him.
That's
Aim for that.
Shooting high.
Shoot, I blink.
Concentrate. Right down the middle. That's silver.
Shoot a bit. Shoot a little bit lower because you're shooting high, so aim below the can.
Oh, you're going for a can?
Almost, almost. It's a little high. You're hitting the same spot, but you're high. Almost.
Coming so fast, it's mid.
Yeah. Go.
Gun.
Oh, wait a minute.
The jam.